How to sharpen the video in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that you have an updated version of the Capcut application on your device. Then go to the Capcut application and select the project that you want to add a sharpening effect on. So as you can see, I've already selected a project. Now you can select a specific area or you can select the whole video as well if you want to sharpen the video. Now just tap on the project or the video, then you will be seeing various options at the bottom of the screen. Now just swipe it to the left until you find the option of adjust over here. So you can see the adjust option, tap on that, then swipe it to the left again and you can see the option of sharpen. So just tap on sharpen and you can select the intensity as well over here by dragging it to the right, or if you want it to be less sharpened, you can also drag it to the left and you can just do it according to your convenience. Then tap on the tick mark and you can just see the effect. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.